Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Can you believe it? The holiday season is here again and it's time to start decorating our homes. The poinsettias are the most traditional of the holiday color plants that will be in our homes. For many years, poinsettias have had a bad reputation of being poisonous. They are certainly not meant to be eaten by humans or pets, and ingesting poinsettias would probably cause some stomach upset, as would eating most any houseplant. Some people are sensitive to the milky white sap from the plant that can cause an itchy rash. However, poinsettias have undergone extensive testing and there is no evidence that they are toxic or unsafe to have in the house. By following a few basic rules, you can keep these beautiful plants looking great from now through the end of the year. You should keep the soil moist. Don't let them dry out completely, but don't let them stay soggy. Water thoroughly and discard all the drainage. They don't like to stand in water. The kitchen sink is a good place to do your watering. When you do, remember to remove the foil wrap from your pots and let the water completely drain out of the pot before replacing the foil. Water again when the soil surface feels dry to the touch. Select a place to put them that has bright, indirect, natural light. The location should be free from hot or cold drafts like vents, fans, or fireplaces. Don't display a poinsettia near an entrance door since you'll create a draft every time it's open. Maintain a temperature of 65 to 75 degrees during the day and no lower than 60 degrees at night. It's best to keep your poinsettia out of the reach of small children and pets because the plant is fragile and breaks easily. The colorful red parts of the poinsettias are actually the leaves, or bracts, and the flower is only the small yellow growth in the middle of the red bracts. Other colorful plants for the holidays include Christmas cactus that can be an indoor plant all year long and bloom several times a year, and cyclamen that can be planted indoors or outdoors for winter color. Chrysanthemums are also great colorful plants that can be planted in the yard after the holidays. And don't forget, Star Nursery gift cards make a great holiday gift. Remember, Star Nursery is your local Christmas tree supplier. Shop early for the best selection. And while you were there, check out our beautiful florist quality 6-inch red poinsettias for just $6.88 each. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Have a safe, happy, and colorful holiday season. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.